you guys ever just fix your car and then not fully trust it? I have been having overheating issues with my Z. Mostly really my fault, but it's been because I replaced a radiator hose twice, then a radiator, and then the thermostat. So each time it was just something. And now that it's fully fixed and I know for a fact that it's fixed, I don't really trust the car yet, and I'm really scared to have the car on for a long period of time or driving a far distance. But does it happen to any of you guys? Or is it just me? Just wondering.